Hey everyone, it's Arash and welcome back to my crypto analytics channel, and today we are going to be discussing about the key events which will happen during the week for the market. Let's have a look. Here we are, guys. Please, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, and if you like the content, thumbs up the videos, and let's go have a look at the market, what is going exactly on. First thing first, we are going to start it with the technical. So if I just change my chart, and this is BTC chart in H2. So at the moment, the price is, let's go for the daily. At the moment, the price is in the top of the final flag, which is, we are talking about it for the third week almost. Okay, the price is right here. And if I go to the H4 chart, so we are going to see here a symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangle, it's been almost filled, and this top right here been touched about almost 2 times, and most likely for the third times it will make a break of a structure, or it will get the rejection from those areas, then go to the downward. So the thing is that with this symmetrical triangle, most likely the price from those areas, by touching these or these points, it will start falling down to which level I'm going to tell you. Just first of all, just get this one now. So probably from these points it's going to fall, or if it didn't happen that, then the price most likely it's going to have a fake break of structure above previously day right here, which is 82,500, almost 82k500. Then probably it will start declining. And also, if you just pay attention to today, just today, can you see these candles with the long wicks right here, with the long wicks right here, with the doji candle right here, and then with the very aggressive turn back to the upward, which was not technically, in my view, which is not really correct that this happened. Anyway, it doesn't matter, because during the day we had heard that many times this bastard Trump has said multiple things. Once he said we got a negotiation with the Iran very well, and the once he said we are starting to do more freedom in those Strait of Hormuz, those kind of things, negative and positive. So many things, so the market could not trust really to the Trump. That's why this happened. But right now, the symmetrical triangle, it shows us by having these tops, probably it's going to make a triple tops, then boom. Okay, so the first level which is going to drop, if it's going to be dropped, even we spoke about it last week, the first one is probably it's going to be about 78k. Okay, 78k, but this is not too far to expect this if the market really didn't catch very good news between Iran and America, with the ceasefire, or better to say with the negotiations. Then probably if the things gone very worse, guys, definitely we can expect that. Really, we can expect that. So the price can really drop more far than, which I said, more far than 78k. Probably in that case, the price is going to fall below 71k to 74, 75k, you know, between 71 to 74k. Between those levels, still the BTC has got this, you know, enough room to fall, to be able to fall to these points. And also in that point, we got the final flag trend line right here, which price can touch this trend line, the final flag trend line, then have a rejection from here, and this trend line will help the price as a support area, then push the price to the upward. This is very likely to happen, but the first focus on the BTC price right now, which we are expecting to happen, is this to fall between 77 to 78,000 K. And look at this, can you see a long week? Just today price dropped below 80,000, then suddenly pushed the price back above almost 82,000. See, even $82,300. And those are the things which is happening right now, but nothing is certain at the moment. Nothing cannot be certain because of the ceasefire, because of the Mr. Trump things, you know. But those are the most likely possibilities which is able to happen at least. And the other thing which makes me think this is going to happen, really, it means to drop the price, is the volatility index. The volatility index, CBOE volatility index, it shows a massive spike above 80.41, which tells us the price condition which is happening in the market right now is not healthy at all. It's happening by effectively newses, economics data, those kind of things. So that makes the market have some volatilities, but the volatilities which is happening in the market is not healthy. It's definitely unhealthy. So that makes me to tell you there's each moment that the price could really drop. And also, if right now we go to the, let's have a look at the ETFs. So well, today is 11th of May, okay? Today, 11th of May, we had, well, obviously we can see we had plus 7 million inflows into the BTC, which is really positive for me right now. And also, let's have a look at the Ethereum. Ethereum had no entry, and the last entry which is had, it was 8th of May. And let's have a look at the Solana. Solana, same thing. My phone is, no, never mind, nothing. I was calling actually someone, doesn't matter. Anyway, so those are the positive things which is happening for the BTC right now, and that is very good actually. Let me check actually, is it recording or not? Yes, recording, because something happened to me. Then it is positive actually. And also, by the way, it was today, I think, I had seen the Ethereum treasury, which has mint above 1 billion USDT, which makes this me actually think that the price can push a bit higher. But just keep this in mind, when the treasuries will start minting USDT or stable coins in themselves. So in that case, sometimes they will keep the stable coins ready in the exchanges, in the treasuries, to drop the price down. Once the price drops down, then they will start buying. So that is the another point which I'm thinking about it. The price, it is really possible to drop first, then go for the higher prices. So So those are the things. And let's have a look at the on-chain indexes right now. And let's have a look at the addresses with the $10,000 worth of BTC at the moment. Right here. The addresses with the $10,000, more than $10,000 worth of BTC right now. Well, in the past 2 days, they were small selling and had a bit consolidation. Then yesterday, on 10th of May, today is 11th of May, they had a small buy, which is positive. I do like it really. And then institutional buyers right now, I don't think they are buying anything. Institutional buyers, they do not do anything obviously, so they just ranging like always. And addresses with the 10,000, sorry, the number of addresses with the balance more than 1,000 BTC, they are buying too. And this is another thing which makes me a bit concerned, because once the addresses with the 1,000 BTC they start buying, in short term the price will drop. This is the thing with the on-chain indexes. So if the $10,000 addresses they start buying, the BTC will go higher. But if the 1,000 BTC's addresses start buying, the price will drop down in short term. But let's have a look at the accumulation trend score right now. This is the accumulation trend score. In the past 2 weeks, the accumulation trend score hasn't changed that much actually. This is not the thing which will be able to convince me. Still, I'm negative about the market in short term. So this is another negative thing which I'm not happy really. And there's another thing which is really matter to the market, is the stablecoins inflows. So the stablecoin inflows, as you could see, always with the having a positive spikes in the stable coins, we had seen the BTC price has followed the stable coins. For example, right here, okay, right here, the BTC, how much was it? Was 65, okay. Then stable coins inflows, they start rising, they start rising until here. And from 65, the BTC has touched in here, right here, $75,000, okay? And once they start selling, did you pay attention about this? Did you notice that the stable coins is about 2 days almost ahead? See, they sold it here. Can you see that? The stable coins are start, selling right here. For example, just we're gonna use the sell word. Start selling here, then after 2 days the BTC price start dropping from $7,000 to the, for example, $73,000, $72,000 almost. Then once the stable coin start rising, then BTC price from $73,000 start rising to $78,000, and the same thing is happening here. I think so. Can you see that? Here we had seen the stable coins is dropping down, the BTC price is rising up, and this BTC price is rising up cannot be really healthy. That's why I'm telling you, because we can have a look at the chart, and technically we cannot see any healthy technical chart right here, especially today, right here. It's very dirty, very unhealthy, and very uncompared, which makes me think really price is going to drop first, at least to 70, 80k or more than this. So this was the another thing which is I'm telling you, be aware of the market, and many things is going to happen, but the negotiation, it is very matter. Keep in mind that could affect and impact so much. And hopefully this video could be helpful for you guys. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and thumbs up the videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.